Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Country girl, silent, 306. Trinibas, country boss, hit your notification button. I don't want people think I'm making fun of the disabled or the retarded people. It's just a joke with me and country boss. See there? 306. I need that picture. Let me stop. Yeah, but take a look at the screen in front of you. It's Shawn Stamp. And I did the video just now with Vybz Cartel, slap release and thing. But remember I said something about me about Shawn Stamp. Well, I just get it out of the way, yo. I get it out of the way. Give me 1 minute. Phone a ring. Now, look at the screen in front of you. You see what that say? You know someone can read, don't? Read what that say. That say Vybz Cartel. That's him. Wanted to meet the assigned commissioner. Wanted to meet with the commissioner who assigned a member of the High Command to meet with him. So the High Command are the big time police them. Cause you know the police commissioner, him have a set of man them who him ride with. That are anywhere, you there. I feel people them that. And him did want to meet with them for offer information on certain man. Now, the report goes on to say that Vybz Cartel give about 17 man or 19 man or 17 machine out of Portmore, blase. You understand? So, my thing is, if I was Shawn Stamp, I would have given the police the information where them can go find them on the LIZARD2. And leave that boy in a blood clot jail, yo, straight up. Shawn Stamp, right now, if Shawn Stamp smart, that's why I do that video here, you know. Shawn Stamp, you see if you're smart, or you ticket this out of jail. You understand? Because obviously you know do badness and you know understand system. And prisoner anywhere you go. Whether yes or this or wherever. Now, Shawn Stamp, what you for do? You for contact your lawyer. You understand? And strike a deal. Cause him did a try strike deal behind your back. You're no informer, my youth. See the thing right there, so. Him been a try strike a deal before you. I mean, you never did a try strike a deal, period. Him a try strike a deal. And I think him give us some man, according to the report, but not come out of it because the way him do things and the police them really want to get rid of him. Because them know say him dangerous. Him get more time than Shawn Stamp. Everybody know. Even the police them say it. Now the video I just did do. You understand? So, Shawn Stamp, this video is for you. Now is your time to make a move. You need to contact your lawyer and make a deal. Give up with them youth there. You understand? Give up with them youth there, because listen, you they are jail. The taxi man with name, the name they are jail, Cartel they are jail, and another man, they can't remember the other man. You understand? And you did ride with the taxi man. So in the case, you don't see why you get time. Them did even ask you to make a deal. There's a report, and you never want to make a deal. Well, 10 years later, my youth, if I were you, I would call my lawyer. Tell them we Lizard and Chow there. You understand? If you know. And then, if you know, you give them to the police, and then make a deal and come out of jail and leave Saltel, Vybz Kartel in a jail. I saw me see. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit your notification button. Okay? And like I said, this one is for Shawn Storm. The fact that Vybz Kartel tried to inform upon you and him give you the man them a report more to the police and to try to come out of the thing. Now is your time. Cause now clansman them same order certain things, so everybody knows say yo you did free time. You need to call your lawyer, tell upon him, get your time reduced and get the hell out of there. Yo, my name is Countryman.